A revolving type dead center is a precision lathe attachment that supports and locates workpieces during turning operations. Its rotating center ensures accurate alignment and continuous rotation. Revolving type dead centers are used in 1. Turning long, slender workpieces like shafts and axles. 2. Precision turning of cylindrical parts. 3. Machining complex shapes like camshafts and eccentric shafts. Revolving type dead center offers 1. Improved accuracy and precision. 2. Increased productivity. 3. Reduced vibration and chatter. 4. Enhanced workpiece stability. That's it for today's video on revolving type dead center. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more machining content.